let's head over to the TradingView platform website. We're going to add the BPX trender indicator by Poppy Trappy to your chart. This is one of the standout free indicators on TradingView, even outperforming some of the premium ones. After you've adding it to your chart, I suggest making a few adjustments to its settings for an optimized trading experience. But before we dive into the trading with this strategy, let me assure you that it's a stellar performance in backtesting. We ran 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart using a 5-minute time frame. These trades were carried out over a span of 9 weeks, and the strategy achieved an impressive win rate of 77%, and this led to a remarkable profit of 189%. Now the question is, how do we transform a BX trender indicator into such a profitable strategy? Stick around and I'll walk you through it. I should mention that to achieve these stunning results, we've used not just the BX trender indicator, but also another one called the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. Once you've added this indicator to your chart, you'll need to adjust it just like I do. I'll explain how we use these in the next part of our discussion. Now we're looking to trade with this strategy. There are a few conditions we need to meet. For a long trade, we first need to wait for a green dot to appear on the BX trender indicator, which should be located below the midline, as known as the zero line. If the corresponding bar in this indicator is also green, it signifies a stronger signal. Next, we need to ensure that the market trend is bullish, meaning the price is above both 200 SMA and 200 HMA moving averages. If these conditions are met, you're good to go to open a long position. Moving forward, the recent swing low is a suitable point to place the stop loss for risk management of the trade. And for the target, you can set it at 1.5 times the stop loss of the trade. Alright, now let's lay out the guidelines for a short trade. Initially, we need to be on the look for a red dot appearing on the BX render indicator, which should be positioned above the midline, as known as the zero line. If the bar corresponding to this red dot is also red, it indicates a more robust signal. Subsequently, we need to confirm that the market trend is bearish. For that, the price must be below the 200 SMA and 200 HMA moving averages. If these conditions align, you're all set to open a short position. And as we move forward, the recent swing high provides an ideal point for placing the stop loss to manage the trade risk. And for the profit target, consider a level that's 1.5 times the stop loss of the trade. And as a final note, for those traders who are feeling a bit overwhelmed about where to start, which indicator to use, which strategy to follow,